Okay, so I just got back from the grocery store and this is everything I got. It most likely will last me maybe a day or two. I'm one of those people that would rather go to the grocery store like once a day and grab whatever I have in mind to eat for, breakfast, lunch, and dinner versus like shopping all at once and having to carry all those groceries upstairs. I know. And so this is what I got. So I'm super excited for this. I found these zucchini noodles that I'm going to mix with like some fermented kimchi and maybe cut up some tomatoes and onions in it, maybe a little lettuce, a little olive oil, lemon juice or something, which I'm going to obviously show that on camera, show you guys me making that. And so I'm definitely going to try that today. That seems like that would be super good. I got some strawberries and blueberries to just snack on, or for an acai bowl, because I do already have some frozen fruit, some acai packets and stuff. I got stuff for green juices to make, which that's going to be my juice of today. I think I'm going to make like a different juice every day, but I got enough for like my family, my whole entire family. They like the green juice, avocados, another green juice that I'm finna drink right now so that I don't end up messing up on the first day. So I'm gonna drink that. Got some fresh orange juice. Oh, some kiwis to put on my acai bowl. And yeah, so this is a nice variety of stuff. It probably, obviously I'm not gonna eat all of this in one day, but if I choose to make some other little salads or recipes, I'll probably have to go grab like some other little stuff to go with it. Okay, so as you guys see, I just made it back from the grocery store getting groceries for another fruit fast, but this time we're gonna mix it up a little bit. I'm doing a fruit and vegetable fast. Only eating fruits and vegetables is what I'm doing, and I'm excited about this one because you just gotta switch it up, and I'm excited about the variety of fruits and vegetables I'll be able to eat more now, like more colorful, more vibrant vegetables, like the different lettuce, the different cabbages, the purple cabbage, different things. I can just be very creative when I'm creating different meals and stuff. But I'm gonna open this because it's actually like, what time is it? So it's already 11 o'clock and I have not eaten or drank anything today so far. So I've basically been intermittent fasting, which is really good. I don't want to end up like messing up and eating something I'm not supposed to be eating. So I grabbed this green juice that was already prepped. I've shown this brand before in a lot of my videos. It's called Evolution Fresh, which I really like this brand. It's USDA organic, and it has oranges, mangoes, pineapple, cucumber, celery, spinach, and romaine lettuce in it. It is so good, even though it has a lot of like green stuff in it. It's super delicious. So I'm gonna pop this open. It is so delicious. Oh my God. But as you guys see, I actually bought my own stuff to make my own green juice. I love my green juice so much. And, it's just better to just make it yourself. Even though this is good as well if you would like to just, grab it already prepped. But I did get stuff to make my own green juice, which I am going to prep here in a little bit so that I can have stuff to just grab already. I'm going to have some salads already prepped or my lettuce already washed and prepped and stuff. And so I'm going to show you guys some of that. But yes, so as I mentioned in my last video that I will be doing another fruit fast here very shortly. And that was just last week. It's only, I don't even think it's actually hasn't even been a whole week. And so it hasn't been a whole week since I did my grapefruit challenge. And so, yeah, I'm excited to just, get back into this. I was doing this so much over the course of last year. I felt my best. I looked my best. My stomach was the most snatched it had ever been. My skin looked the best, even though my skin is still looking pretty good. Yeah, I was the most vibrant, just everything. You know, when you eat living things, it just shows in your life. You know what I mean? But anyway, so yeah, I'm super excited about this. I showed you guys me at the grocery store everything that I purchased, and I'm pretty much just going to be running to the grocery store maybe every day or every other day, because I just don't want to buy everything at once. I don't really care to do that. It's too many groceries to carry up, too much stuff in my fridge and stuff, and that way, you know, if I just grab stuff, you know, by the day, it'll still be fresh, you know. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and I honestly don't know how many days I'm going to do. I honestly kind of want to do up until Christmas, possibly. If not, I think I'm going to do like 7 to 10 days, which that honestly puts me pretty close to Christmas, because what's today? I don't know. I think today is like, is today the 10th? Or I honestly don't know what today is. Hold on. Okay, so today is actually the 9th, okay? And so if I do 10 days, that's gonna put me at the 19th. And so I may as well just go ahead until Christmas, which is what I'm going to aim for. Now, if I end up doing like 5 days or just this week, then I definitely will let you guys know. And I'll still feel very accomplished. You know, it's still a great cleanse. It don't matter how many days you do. So the longest I've ever done is 5 days doing just fruits. And so if I do 7, it's still growth. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna aim for like until Christmas maybe, but you know, I don't know. It's like I don't know. It depends on how bad do I want to do it into Christmas. You know, if anything, I will still eat super clean and maybe just like cooked vegetables and stuff like that, and soups and veggie soups and stuff. So depending on how I feel, I may switch it up. But so far, I think that I'm going to do like 7 to 10 days, possibly till Christmas. Okay, you guys, I really don't know. I should have decided this before I decided to record this, but I'm like, let me pick up my camera and just document this for you guys. And however this goes is going to go. I'll let you guys know if it's getting hard, if it's super easy, like whatever. We're just going to go with the flow. But yeah, so that's what we're doing. Obviously, I'm gonna show you guys everything I'm eating throughout the day, and I plan on possibly like just vlogging every single day of what I eat and documenting for you guys, probably uploading each day separately maybe, then I might put it together like I normally do. But yeah, that way it's easier for you to like watch each day and see exactly what I ate, what time it was, and different stuff like that. And so yeah, I'll update you guys here shortly. I'm gonna drink on this and then probably prep my first little like meal of the day. Okay, we're finna make this zucchini veggie pasta or whatever you wanna call it. I got my zucchini noodles, putting some red onion, some tomato, avocado for protein, some kimchi, and then I'll show you guys the seasonings I'll be using here in a little bit. So first, I'm gonna take my bowl. And then just put me some zucchinis in there. I already know I'm gonna really like this, so I'm gonna make a nice little amount. Okay, here we go. The zucchini noodles. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut up some onion. Just cut it in half. I love onions, so put a good amount in there. Always take the back part off. It just looked nasty to me. So I'm gonna dice up some onion. Ooh, that's just falling apart. I'm gonna just cut it up. Add a little bit of in. Some tomato. Like half an avocado. Okay. It's gonna be so good. This right here is gonna be the star of the show. Since we can't use that many seasonings and things, just adds so much flavor to everything. I put it in my salads, I put it in just everything. It just tastes so bomb. So add a little bit of kimchi. This is also really good for your gut health. Fermented foods are really good for your gut health. So while cleansing, I'm also putting back in those good probiotics and focusing on my gut health. So I have this lemon olive oil that I'm gonna add in there. It's a little drizzle. Just a little bit of pink Himalayan sea salt. And I have this Cajun seasoning. It's salt-free. The only thing in here is paprika, onion, garlic, pepper, chives. Is it supposed to say chives? Thyme and oregano. Super clean seasoning. So I'm just going to add a little bit of that for flavor. And then a little bit of lemon juice. It's gonna be so good. So then just kind of mix it up. Ooh, it looks really good. I already know this tastes good. All right, let's taste test. So this is what it looks like, where you can see it real good in the sunlight. I ended up adding some flax seeds to it because flax seeds are high in protein, or at least it's, you know, going to add some protein to this meal, and protein is still important so that we're not constantly hungry all day long. I ended up adding the other half of that avocado as well for extra protein and healthy fats, so it'll help keep me full and make it throughout the day. But yeah, let's taste test it. It looks really good. It pretty much looks like just a regular pasta salad, you know. Super delicious, so let's try it. Okay, so got my little zucchini pasta salad. I think this is super creative, the fact that it seems like you're eating noodles. I don't know about y'all, but I love ramen and I love noodles, and so when I saw this, I'm like, oh, I gotta do that. Wow, this is so good. Okay, I'm not a picky eater at all, but I do feel like a lot of people will probably like this. It's super flavorful. The onions, the seasonings that I add in there adds that pop of flavor, and the kimchi. Oh my God, the kimchi adds such great flavor to stuff. This is banging, like for real. And then, you know, the avocado makes it creamy, almost seem like a creamy sauce. And I love the taste of flax seeds, and so you can kind of taste that too. This is really good. Oh my gosh, and it's all raw. So this is a 10 out of 10 to be raw. Oh my God. bussin'. So I'm gonna eat this. Like I said, this in all my videos, but I gotta pick my kids up here very shortly. My youngest is not at school that long at all, and so it don't give me a lot of time to get a lot of things done. And I still have like emails and stuff I gotta get back to and a lot of things. So I'm gonna try and get some of that done while I multitask and eat this for a little bit. And I'm gonna update y'all here in a little bit and let you know what I eat next. So what time is it? So I drank that green juice at around 11. I'm gonna try and put the time frames if y'all wanna eat around the same time I do. So I wait until 11, pretty much intermittent fast all day, and I'm just now eating, and it's like 12 o'clock right now, I believe. So yeah. So for dinner, I ended up making me a salad, which was pretty much like the zucchini noodles. It was just lettuce, diced tomatoes, diced onion, kimchi, and cucumbers. And I pretty much seasoned it the same as I did the zucchini salad. This was so good, and I had a side of fruit with it. I am realizing this first day I was eating more salads and vegetables than I was fruit, but everything was so good. I pretty much got too busy in the evenings once my kids got home, so I ended out my night with that and just drank tons of lime water, and I'll see y'all in day 2.